Hi everyone, it's me again. You're watching the April 2025 Dev Diary. Last month, I worked on this game and said I'd finish it this month. So, just like I promised, I released it on the Play Store at the beginning of the month. The project's initial name was Free Bird, but due to Play Store app name policies, I couldn't use that. So, it's now published as Yellow Bird. I actually didn't know about that policy before, so now I know I can't just name apps whatever pops into my mind. After that, like I said last month, I wanted to create a character. This one's a very simple one. I followed a YouTube tutorial that shows how to make a character using only the skin modifier in Blender. I'll include that link in case you're interested. Anyway, I made this character in Blender. I added a hat to make him stand out from other stick figures. Please don't complain that he's not wearing clothes. I didn't make any because I didn't want to mess with clothing physics. Honestly, I think this look is cleaner and simpler. As I mentioned last time, I've been playing around with Godot. It's not just a game engine, it's also great for building other types of software. I wanted to make an app that helps create 2D sprites more easily. If you're familiar with 3D, you know tools like Mixamo let you apply animations to 3D models. But in 2D, it's not that easy. So I built a 2D Sprite Creator to solve this problem. I used my Blender skin modifier character to test it. I uploaded it to Mixamo, got some animations, and then converted them into 2D. The result was actually amazing for me. If you're interested, it's freely available on GitHub. I'll put the link in the description. I've included instructions and listed the limitations in the README file. Here's a tutorial I'm working on for GDevelop. I used the 2D sprites I just mentioned. I've finished the game flow for the tutorial, but I still need to polish it so that anyone can follow along and make a game with it. It might take me a bit more time. Maybe I'll finish it next month. Last week, I made this small game for a jam hosted by LevelStare. I tried to create a funny instructional type game, kind of like the menu style in Superhot. It's a very simple game, but it tries to communicate with the player in an engaging way. That's what I was going for. Your opinion might be different. Anyway, the link is in the description, and you can play it in your browser. So, that's it for this month. I tried a bunch of different things, and it was a lot of fun for me. Right now, I'm reading through the Godot documentation because I plan to focus more on Godot in the future. Also, I bought a Steamworks account. I'm planning to keep Miusoft focused only on mobile games from now on, so I can stay more organized. That's my current idea. Let me know what you think. See you in the next Dev Diary. As always, keep playing, keep creating, and happy gaming.